Hey y'all, if you're watching this, you're either a first-time cruiser double checking your packing list, or you just came from my husband's video, 10 mistakes first-time cruisers make. And he sent you here to make sure you don't make any more mistakes. Either way, welcome. You're in the right place. This list is perfect for families with littles, couples, solo cruisers, anyone who wants a chill, stress-free vacation. Let's dive in. Hi. I'm Alyssa, founder of Ahoy365.com. If you're new here, welcome. If you're part of the Paradise crew, welcome back. We've got a lot to cover, so I'm keeping it snappy. To help you out, I'll pop up Amazon photos of each item as we go. Everything I mention is linked below in the description. Perfect timing for Prime Day. But these are useful year-round. Packing cubes. Why I pack it. I need to stay organized when I'm packing for the whole family. These cubes keep clothes from becoming a total suitcase tornado. Pro tip, I color code by person or type of item. When we unpack, it takes 5 minutes flat. Seriously, it's a game changer. Number 2, eSIM. Why pack it? I love this because it works in port and depending on which one you get, it even works on board some ships. No more coming home to a $200 surprise phone bill. Download and activate it before you board. I linked my favorite down below. It's a lifesaver on port days. Number 3, hanging toiletry bag. Why I pack it? Cruise bathrooms are tiny, like can barely turn around tiny. This keeps everything off the counters and super easy to access. Hang it on a magnetic hook over the towel bar. Instant bathroom sanity. Number 4, leak-proof toiletry bottles. Why I pack it? It's TSA compliant, compact, and they don't leak. I learned the hard way with the full-size shampoo bottle exploded in my suitcase once. Never again. Now I just refill these with exactly what I need and we're good to go. Number 5, magnetic hooks. Why I pack it? Cruise cabin walls are metal. Who knew? These are clutch for hanging swimsuits, jackets, or wet bags. Get the ones rated for 25 pounds or more. Trust me. Number 6, liquid soap. Why I pack it? The bar soap cruise lines provide? Nope, don't like them. Dries out my skin and doesn't lather well. I bring my own liquid soap in a little pump bottle for the sink and the shower. Here's a tip. Refill one from home. Keeps things compact and clean. Number 7, poopery. Why I pack it? Tiny bathroom plus shared space equals a whole situation. I leave it in plain sight as a not so subtle hint for the rest of the fam. Number 8, inflatable railings for kids. Why I pack it? Peace of mind so I know my child won't be falling out of the made-up sofa bed. It inflates and deflates in under 2 minutes. Easy peasy. Number 9, compression bags. Why I pack it? We travel a lot with beach gear, baby blankets, backup clothes. These help me squeeze it all in without adding another suitcase. Here's a tip. I use them for my bulkier stuff, like sweaters and diapers. Number 10, compression vacuum. Why I pack it? These little USB-powered vacuums take all the air out of the compression bags. It's like magic. Tiny, fast, and fits right into my carry-on. Number 11, dirty clothes bag. Why I pack it? I don't want stinky socks mixing with my clean clothes, especially in a small cabin. Here's our tip. I use a pop-up mesh one that folds flat and it fits in the closet. Number 12, wet clothes bag. Why I pack it? For those times we need to hit the beach right before boarding. I need a place to stash my wet swimsuits. Tip, I keep a spare in our day bag for excursions too. Number 13, level 8 suitcase. Why I pack it? These are my holy grail bags. Lightweight, durable, and they survive the airport and cruise port chaos. Number 14, reef safe sunscreen. Why I pack it? Keeps our skin safe and protects the ocean. Win-win. Number 15, power cubes. Why I pack it? Cruise cabins typically have one lonely outlet. One. And I've got phones, sound machines, cameras, you name it. But here's a tip. Make sure it has USB ports and it's non-surge protected, because those are banned. Number 16, shower caddy. Why I pack it? Everyone's stuff ends up everywhere without this. It keeps the bathroom clutter-free and helps with morning routines. Number 17, wrinkle release spray. Why I pack it? Irons are banned on a cruise, and I'm not trying to look like it's laundry day. One spritz makes even my toddler's wrinkled shirt look fresh enough for dinner. Number 18, towel clips. Why I pack it? The wind on the pool deck is no joke. These keep your towel from turning into a sail. Here's my tip. Get the flamingo ones. You'll thank me later. Number 19, reusable water bottle. Why pack it? Hydration equals survival when you're juggling kids, excursions, and cocktails. My tip, refill before heading out. I bring my Stanley, and my husband brings the brewmate. Number 20, a Tide pen. Why pack it? Kids are adorable, but they're stain factories. Works like magic on spaghetti, jelly, or rogue ice cream drips. Number 21, cover-ups. Why pack them? Some protection for everyone, and let's be honest, nobody wants to walk through the buffet in a bikini. You're also not supposed to do that. I bring a muslin one for baby naps on deck, and works like a little shade tent. Number 22, luggage tags. Why pack it? Cruise lines have their own specific tags, and if you don't have them, the porters give you the side eye. Print it home and pop them on the reusable plastic holders. Number 23, ginger chews. Why pack it? Natural, easy, and it's my first line of defense for motion sickness for me and the kids. I stash a few in every bag, just in case. Number 24, Dramamine. Why I pack it? Because sometimes ginger just doesn't cut it. Get the non-drowsy version unless you're planning a long nap. Number 25, C-bands. Why? It's a medicine-free way to fight nausea, and I swear they actually really do work. Put them on before you start feeling queasy because timing definitely matters. Number 26, flip-flops. Why pack them? Quick and easy for pool days, spa runs, or running to grab snacks with the kids. Here's my tip. Waterproof ones are the best. That way you can just rinse and go. 27, motion sensor light. Why I pack it? The cabins can get pitch black at night. This saves my husband from toe stubbing when our toddler leaves toys out. We like to call it Dad's survival light. Number 28, big beach towel. Why pack them? Cruise towels are kind of tiny. They are soft, stylish, and actually cover your whole body. They also dry fast and roll up really small. It's a win-win. Number 29, first aid kit. Why I pack it? Someone always gets a blister or a scrape, usually before we even leave for the ship. Pack your own because the ship's medical care isn't cheap. Number 30, a medicine kit full of Tylenol, Advil, Pepto, you name it. Why do I pack it? Headaches, heartburn, mystery stomach issues, it will happen, and it will happen on vacation. So keep it all in one pouch. That way it is easy to grab and go. Number 31, a hangover remedy. Why? Because sometimes that pina colada hits way harder than expected. Liquid IV packets are our go-to. Super easy recovery. Number 32, liquid rehydrate. Why we pack it? Long sunny days equals dehydration city. I pack stick packs for the kids and us. Perfect after a beach day. Number 33, a cruise tote bag. Why I pack it? For pool deck essentials, excursions, even laundry runs. My tip is to get one that folds flat. That way you save so much space. Number 34, power bank charger. Why we pack it? Between photos, the cruise app, and toddler YouTube time, my phone dies fast. My tip is to get a slim one that fits in your crossbody bag. That's the perfect way to go. Number 35, sunglasses. I mean, this one's obvious why we pack it, but I always bring a backup pair just in case. Here's my tip. Don't wear your fancy one snorkeling. Definitely learned that one the hard way. Number 36, use an app that syncs family photos. Why? Everyone takes pictures on different phones, and this keeps us organized without the text me that mess. Here's a tip. We use shared albums on iCloud or Google Photos. 37, GoPro, camera, or waterproof phone case. Why? Because some cruise moments deserve more than just a selfie. Tip, even if it's just your phone, get the waterproof case because better safe than soaked. Number 38, a towel band. Why? These hold tighter than the towel clips. Also great when it's super windy on deck. My tip is color-coded ones to help you spot your chair in the sea of loungers. Tip number 39, a toiletry bag for men. Why? Because sharing one bag is total chaos. At least it is in our house, especially with beard trimmers and cologne flying around. So my tip, just pack him his own mini bag. Toothbrush, razors, deodorant, done. Number 40, AirTags. Why I pack it? For tracking luggage and toddlers. Don't judge. I slip one in the diaper bag. Peace of mind. Number 41. Nightlight. Why I pack it? Cruise cabins get pitch black at night. Not great for midnight potty trips or finding a pacifier at 2 a.m. My tip is a soft amber one that won't wake the baby or blind your partner. Number 42. A toothbrush holder. Why? Because their bathroom counters aren't necessarily the cleanest and wet toothbrushes don't sit well with me. I use a magnetic one that sticks to the mirror and it's super handy. Number 43. Toothpaste. Why should be obvious, but hotel-sized toothpaste lasts about 3 brushes in our house. Not going to cut it for a week-long cruise. So, my tip is to bring a backup because someone always forgets theirs. Number 44, Excursion backpack. Why I pack it? It holds everything we need for a day in port. Snacks, sunscreens, towels, baby gear, you name it. My favorite tip is to get one that's foldable and water resistant. Less bulk, more function. Number 45, bug spray. Why I pack it? Some excursions take you off the beaten path and into bug central. Bug wipes are easier to pack and less messy than spray, so if you prefer that, go that route. Number 46, gum and mints. Why do we pack it? After meals, before dinner, on excursion, fresh breath is always a good idea. 47, chapstick. Why? Sun and wind and salty air all equal chapped lips every single time. Here's my tip. I bring a tinted one so I don't need lipstick in it. Number 48, Tums. Why I pack it? Cruise food is delicious and rich. Sometimes my stomach waves the white flag. Chewables are perfect for on-the-go relief. Ooh, number 49, inflatable baby bathtub. Why? Cruise showers aren't baby-friendly, like at all. And this makes bath time safe and stress-free. It packs flat, inflates in seconds, and my baby loved it. Number 50, tear-free baby wash and shampoo. Why we pack it? A 2-in-1 keeps the packing list shorter and the baby bath routine simpler. Bring it in a travel pump bottle, less mess and less stress. And number 51, a slumber pod. Why I pack it? It's a portable blackout tent that fits over a pack and play, and it makes naps and bedtime so much easier. If your kiddo needs darkness to sleep, this is a lifesaver. Number 52, matching swimsuits. Why I pack it? It's adorable. It's iconic. We always get the best family photos in these. I love Kenny Flowers, but you can find some on Amazon down below as well. Number 53, Germex or hand sanitizer. Why I pack it? Cruises and buffets all equal germs. And I've got a toddler who touches everything. Here's a tip. Clip one to every bag. You'll use it way more than you think. Now there's one more thing you don't want to miss. Check out my next video, 20 things you should never do in your cruise cabin. It's full of stuff people wish they knew before boarding. If you dig the vibes, please hit that subscribe button. And if you care, please share. And we'll see you in paradise.